Okay, so this is the last one, and yeah, let's do this. Okay, so malicious traffic entering the network. Let's add a workbook, edit it, remove it. Yep, remove it again. Yep, and then let's add a query. Let's do this real quick. Advanced editor, Control A, wipe it. Let's go to, oops. Yep, let's get the file. Let's put the JSON code in there and let's save it. Awesome. Okay, hit done editing. And here we are. Yep. But I'll still need to edit again. Then come down here and hit edit. And then settings. And now we have the code. We're gonna put it in here. Awesome. Now we're gonna see what it does. Well, I mean, as much as I like the way this looks, I think I'll still change it again. This part, city name and country name, I'd rather have the, where is it? IP address. Yeah, I could just take IP address, copy that, and then paste that here instead. Perfect. And then let's rerun the query. And this is how I like to see the map. Perfect. Now let's break it down. All right, so geo whatever pulls the geo IP. This get watch list basically pulls the country name, the latitude, the longitude, everything from the IP address. And so when it is shown, where are you shown? Where are you shown? Geo IP something something. Yeesh. Ah yeah, evaluate. Yeah, basically when it comes here, it's gonna be pulled out. All right, cool. Next, malicious flow. Let the malicious flows be this. Let's run this and let's see what it does. Yeah, basically these are the logs we're gonna find from here. Oh, we find the VM IPs. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Let me just pick one at random and extend it. Tenant ID. Maybe there's something we can talk about here. The flow status. Perfect. So we could talk about that because I do see it over here. And so we could take flow status and copy this. And then we can do this was Azure Network Analytics. Okay. Network Analytics. And then I'll do distinct. And I'll put this there. Let's see what the different types of the different flow types are. Okay, so we have malicious flow, we have Azure Public, external, yada yada yada. And what we're looking for is the malicious flow, and that is why we are here. Now, I won't do this because I think this IP address is no longer in use, so we'll just ignore this comment. We ordered everything by time generated, descending order. So from, let's see, this is today, innit? Oh yeah, so from today down, I guess. And then we project by the time generated the flow type, malicious flow. And then we're going to show the IP address. So basically the flow type, we want to call a flow type. Yeah, malicious flow. And the IP address is going to pull from the source IP. So the source IPs, right? And then the destination IP address. Yep. And then destination IP is going to be pulled from the destination IPs. Okay. Then destination ports is going to be pulled from the destination ports, I guess. Okay, so these are malicious flows, basically where they're coming from, where they are going to, and which ports they are trying to use. And then the country, city, and latitude location where they are. And this is the button, whatever. We didn't change it here, so let me change it from here. Is it float? No, no, we don't. Not float type. I think it's IP address, isn't it? IP. Perfect. Let's run it. And we are done. So basically, this is it. Everything is pretty much understood. because we touched on most of it in the previous ones anyway. So everything here makes sense. I understand it. I hope you do too. This is 5 minutes exactly, so we're good. Now let's just save this because I don't really want to change anything. I think I like everything that's here so far. Yep, yep. Well, there are no. Oh, the malicious actors coming from Zambia. That's interesting. None from Ghana or Nigeria. Mm, okay, all right. Let's go. Save. Let's do done editing. Save. Uh, our signature name. Ni. Ni. Perfect. And in the middle, we're gonna have malicious traffic entering the network. Perfecto. Awesome. And then we're going to choose cyber range 2. And then we're going to have to look for our student RG again, student resource group. I hope it's not missing from here. Please be here somewhere. Please be here somewhere. No, it's not here. Is it not? Dang it. Alright, I gotta go find it. So, come on with me. Dun, 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 dun. I mean Azure, not this. Okay, cool. Here, pull everything, copy it, paste. There we are. East US2, and then we save it, and then we can. Okay. Oh, where are we? Okay. All right. Basically, so let's just open it. Then let's find ourselves. Come on. Click out of it, and we should find ourselves here. So, oh, the people. Some people were working. No, this 8. Okay, and these were from Cyber Range 1, so it's not from me. Alright, so yeah, you can see we just did the Entra ID authentication successes. We found the failures. We found instances where people are creating Azure resources. We could have found people deleting resources if we wanted to find it. Authentication failures from the tenants, and then malicious traffic entering the network from wherever. So yeah, I guess this is it for our visual maps. We can check them all out just by clicking them, and then I'll probably make another video where I post my portfolio. I don't know, but I may not. But this was awesome. I enjoyed it thoroughly, especially learning how to use KQL in these instances. It was amazing. All right, have a good night or morning, whenever time you're seeing this. Ciao.